Sometimes you might need to take in passwords from your users. WP Fluent Forms makes this tricky job very easy with its password input field. Click on the Advanced Fields menu from the Input Fields section. You will see several advanced fields appear in front of you. Scroll down to Password Field and click on it. You can also drag and drop it. Or click on the plus icon on your blank form and select Password Field from the Advanced tab of the drop-down menu. Now, hover over the input field and click on the Edit icon. Define your element label and choose where to place your label, at the top or left of the field. Or you can hide it as well. Labels are shown at the top by default. Define your admin field label. Guide your subscribers with the placeholder. Choose whether this field is required or not. You can do further customization with the advanced options. For more details on the advanced options, go to the link provided on the description box. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon.